I'm here with Samantha from KW Professional Organizers. And Samantha, a lot of people are catching on to this capsule wardrobe.
Yeah, it's actually a really neat process of minimizing your wardrobe, but keeping all the things that you really love to wear and being more intentional about the things that you want to wear depending on the season that we're in.
And there are a certain number of items of clothing that maybe you should have in your closet to stay organized.
Yeah, so this is really for people who are starting to feel a little bit frustrated when they get up in the morning and they're not sure what to wear. Project 333 encourages you to use 33 items that you pick out, but there's a myth behind that. I want to dispel that. It's not just 33 items. It doesn't include your undergarments, your sporting wear, and your pajamas, those kinds of things. So it's not like you're just completely gutting your closet and letting go.
Right. And so once you've narrowed down those pieces, there's a more efficient way of folding them and storing them that you have on display here.
Yeah, recently Marie Kondo, The Magical Art of Tying Up, has really caught on to this folding technique. You'll see this is the same amount of pants folded the same way, but stored differently. So here I have access, what color do I want to wear today, and then I can just pull it out. Whereas here I would have to lift up to find the pair that I want. And when you have to lift things out, you generally make them messy.
So let's say you're using a dresser, would you still recommend bins, for example, or do you think you could just fold everything that way in your dresser drawer?
I would fold everything that way in my dresser drawer. The bins are just kind of more to show you in a complex kind of way of what it can look like. Definitely use the space that you have and try and look at your closet and say, how can I make this space better, or how can I really fill out those shelves in between my closet.
And is there a certain way to fold your pants or your t-shirts to maybe fit more clothes in that drawer, or just be able to access them a little easier?
Yeah, for sure. Like, all of these clothes are folded in a very particular way, but nothing difficult. So as you can see, you've just folded your shirt in half. You fold your sleeves in, one half, and then you've got this nice kind of magazine looking shirt that fits right back in with all the others.
All right, and the same goes for pants?
And the pants are folded absolutely the same. So again, you fold the pants in half, and then these ones you're going to fold in thirds just because they tend to be a little bit thicker. But again, you've got that nice magazine style that can slide in, and it's kind of like a bookshelf.
It is like a bookshelf. And I thought my drawer that's labeled socks was organized enough, but you are taking this to the next level.
Well, so it's not going to work for people who have all the same color of socks and only wear one kind, but pretend that you have a lot of different kinds. Again, it's a folding of 3. And then you stack them up just like you would do magazines or books, and you can look at all the colors all in a row, and you're able to select what kind of pair you want depending on, is it a cold day, do I want the light colored socks, depending on what you're wearing. And the same for the underpants. So again, you would take your underpants, fold them up, and then fold them into a third, and there you've got a nice magazine row, and you can have all your different colors and styles.
So you can see all the different pairs you have left in your drawer, all the different colors to choose from. It just makes life a little easier when you're getting
It's like shopping at home. It's super nice.
That sounds like a lot of fun to me. Samantha from KW Professional Organizers, thank you.
Thanks.
And that is your quick fix at 5.